Read it. How about that? Okay, move on.
This race?
What? What's going to happen with the race round?
Yes.
We're a lean, mean rowing machine. We're here to win.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
He's always trying to wet my pants before I go in the river. Unfortunately, I've done
The chamber team. Working a lost cause.
Oh, I can see it.
I think we're in the top two in this race. As I see it, it looks like the Chamber of Commerce from Connellsville could be a tough challenge, but FM 104 has been practicing daily, nightly, and even on weekends to come down here and take the goal. We'll see up close and personal next.
104 boat crew.
You come upstream around the first buoy. You'll go downstream. See where that canoe is down there now? You'll be, all the canoes that are going to be in a canoe contest and all those participating in the canoes, I'd like to talk to you down there along the beach there. If you put your canoes down there, we gotta go over a few rules. Back to the water, you guys. He's going to go take off. Okay, man, start your paddle.
Scores in 7 years.
Get in the water. Get lined up.
A new venereal disease.
Oh, wow, I don't know if those things are, what's the capacity for that? On your mark, get set, go! There we have North Pad, Chamber of Commerce on the outside with WLSW on the inside. Coming to the first turn. Okay, it looks like Coach Bay and Chamber's got a heavy lead. Oh, they know they got it now. Okay, how about a big hand for the winners coming across the line here? Coach Bay and Chamber of Commerce. A big hand, the winners, by about 20 lengths. Who said you wouldn't finish this race, huh? Everybody's gonna think that's the winning folks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, little conflict here. They're not gonna unite until it goes around. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, back in. Okay. WLSW took second. Okay, I like the captain of that winning team that come up here, the captain of the This is Alan. Okay. What do you contribute to your success today, Alan?
Just a new and revitalized Chamber of Commerce.
What do you say was your downfall, Doug?
Too many cigarettes and Miller beer. That's the ticket.
Too many cigarettes and Miller beer. Do you think it had anything to do with the raft?
No, absolutely not.
Well, I don't know. That looks like it might be a little stronger. It's got a lip.
The craft was flawless today.
Defending champs, I'm sure we'll be back again. So, thanks again. Give them a big hand, folks.
It isn't bad.
Mr. Hawkins, what'd you say?
Second isn't bad. We got the silver. We had it nailed. Nobody was behind us. We had it all the way. And first place, we had to give up. It looked like they were going for the world record. And we haven't checked. We had to have 2 watches on it for a world record to be accurately timed. So we have to go check with the officials and get the accurate track clock. And we'll be looking at that later. So we'll be back to you with the final wrap-up after this.